Hello, welcome to the Genius Gateway. Today, we'll demystify this essential concept in programming and explore how it enhances the flexibility and efficiency of our code. Polymorphism in an essential fundamental of OOP. First of all, let's take a sight on the definition of polymorphism. It's about many shapes or many forms. In programming, it allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. But it sounds complex. What does it mean? Let's understand with the help of example. Well, consider explaining someone how to start a vehicle. Now, even though there are a variety of vehicles, the way of starting the vehicles is surprisingly quite similar. When you're starting a vehicle, you have to start the engine, then you have to speed up the vehicle, and the wheels will turn, and then we'll be driving the vehicle. So, even though each of these objects are different, a car is not like motorcycle, etc. The method of starting them is all the same. So we should be able to write some sort of operation that, irrespective of the type, is able to do a similar operation on each one. We want to able to call the same method, despite having different types. This is polymorphism. Polymorphism has two types: compile-time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We will discuss the types in our next video. Thanks for watching us. Like our video and subscribe for more videos like this.